welcome back to the Adjunct's Kitchen, where we make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name is Chad Seeger, and today we have an extra special treat because we're going to be making an amazing side dish, snack, or even main course filled with fresh taste and healthy ingredients, the Adjunct's Kitchen take on the Italian-American style pasta salad.
Rotini is the preferred pasta for this dish. Then extra virgin olive oil, sweet peppers, red onion and basil, salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese. Tomatoes and black olives are optional. Steps for making this dish are to cook your pasta, then drain and cool it. Prep your ingredients, then mix your ingredients, plate, and serve.
To get started, boil some water. Once the water is boiling, add the pasta. As the pasta cooks, stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Right before you drain it, grab yourself some of that pasta water. After you drain your pasta, try to get it as cool as fast as you can. Use a fridge if possible. While the pasta is cooling, now's the time to prep the other ingredients. Cut the peppers into bite-sized strands. Secret star to this dish is red onion, but you're going to want a really fine dice. If the tomatoes are larger than a bite, cut them in half. Luckily, these are the right size. Black olives are a little large, so I am going to have them. This dish literally cannot have too much basil, so wrap it up and then cut it fine. Now that the pasta is cooled, the fun happens. Get to mix everything together. Healthy amount of olive oil. Halfway through mixing, I like to do the whole thing again. A little more olive oil, more black pepper, more Parmesan cheese. Pour a little of that pasta water on too. Loosen things up. Now that everything's mixed, the only thing left to do is put it in a serving bowl. Now we're almost there. Matter of elevating, just put a little more Parmesan cheese on top. A good pasta salad can be the star of any event. This pasta salad isn't drenched in oil, but it is packed with flavor. Well, thanks for watching, pasta salad lovers. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.